Everybody was a little bit unsure how to tell whose bike is whose. This one's mine. Smashed the fender off yesterday of a brand new bike. I'm so sorry, Adrian. How many hours is this bike now? 3.7 hours. Straight into a tree, smashed it. Smashed the brand new bikes. I'm sorry. Here we are, beginning of day 2, Nomad Adventures Romania. It's -5 outside. It's snowing lightly, so we're hoping to get some riding in. We've got an hour's ride planned to a restaurant for some nice coffee and some hot dinner. We were a little late waking up this morning because we had some beers last night. I think I can see a Can-Am. Looks like a Maverick from here. Let's see, it is a Maverick. Maybe he wants a race. Nice X3. RS as well. 2019 that. Here we go to the frozen ground. Oh, it still looks a bit mushy. I think I might have roosted goose then by accident. Oh, this is not so bad. I thought it was going to be real slippy, but the ground is not frozen solid. My goggle strap is frozen solid. It has no stretch in it whatsoever. This is not what I expected, but it's still pretty fucking cool. Oh, ho, ho, where are those legs going? Goose having a big slapper there. I need to back off a little bit so I can see a bit more of the terrain ahead. This like 10-foot gap isn't enough because you can't prepare. The ground's getting harder and harder, it's getting colder and colder. It's getting whiter and whiter. Please don't crash today. Plastics will be so solid, they'll be like brittle as anything, they'll just snap if you flick them. Roosted. Been serious trouble trying to get out of this lane. There we go. I don't think we're going to get much views today. We can't even see to the front of the pack. See if we can catch Mr. Marsh, because he's been up behind Midwest. See if I can pick a sneaky line past somehow. We've got quite a good pace on here, man. Woo! I wasn't ready to slow down that much. Uh-oh! Ah! This is so cool. Had to drive then. I'm getting so roosted right now. Ah! So good. Another good pace on today as well. We just don't ride pace like this at home. Oh, and now we're back to mud and I'm losing the front. Jesus Christ! Oh, that was sketchy as hell. Again, day 2, we've been blitzed with the weather. We've had ice, snow, a little bit of rain, some wet mud now. Stop that. Oh, this is gnarly. Oh, big rock slid into my wheel. Gazzy B will be loving this downhill in the mud. I quite need a pee-pee now though. woods, look at these woods. This is just going to be epic. I can feel it already. Woohoo! Oh, oh, that looks like a nice steep downhill. Turn the bike a little bit so it's not so off camber. Down to go up. Oh! Got the front over tidy, but the back didn't want to play. Jesus! There's hidden wet sticks in here, and that's what caused me to snap the front fender on this brand new bike yesterday. Yeah. Look at this now. I can't get over how you can do one extreme to the other within half an hour. Like, it's warm, dry, with dry leaves on the ground. The ground is absolutely perfect here. This is just, I'm speechless. Can't believe how good this is. It's like every enduro rider's dream. Woo! I thought I was in the shit then. Yeah, I didn't see him slowing down there, and it crashed straight to the back of him. I'm a bit gutted we've had a mega morning riding. We got to the restaurant for dinner. I might notice my GoPro. GoPro had frozen. and lost all of this morning's footage. We had some sick riding this morning through snow, then some nice mud, some sick hill climbs. And some scary downhills. Oh, I lost a lot, so thank you, GoPro.